I recently found this new YouTube channel that has 130 subscribers with just 35 videos. And that's not the best part. It's going insanely viral. If you take a look at their videos, you would probably think it's going to take a lot of money and animation skills to produce these types of videos. But that's not really the case here. These visuals that you see are 100% AI generated. I know that you wouldn't believe me. That's why I'm going to show you exactly the process this channel is using to create these viral videos with AI. Once you watch this video till the end, you will learn everything to start your own YouTube channel under this niche without any struggle. Out of these 36 videos, 2 videos have more than 4 million views, and 4 videos have more than 1 million views. And that's not even the crazy part. They gained these views within just 2 months. So you know this niche is working. But the question is, why are they going viral? And how to apply this same method to your channel? And that's what you are going to learn today. I don't want to spend a lot of money to hire animators for this project. Therefore, I'm going to do the same thing that this channel is doing, which is using an AI to do the animation part. I'm going to be using Hailuo AI, and it's going to make the process smoother and much easier. So you don't have to worry about the visual and animation part at all. Before starting that, we need to understand this niche. These videos are basically about the human body and science, so they fall under the science niche. You can do videos about healthy eating habits, how the human body works, and the science behind it. It's really an interesting niche to start as a beginner. Let's start with the first step of the content creation process, which is finding viral video ideas. To make that process easier for you, I have created this unique prompt, which you can use to generate video ideas for this niche. You just need to copy this to ChatGPT, and it's going to give you some unique video ideas. And the next best way to find viral video ideas is that you can always check videos from your competitors. Just check which sorts of topics are going viral and make videos about similar topics. Don't copy their exact video topics. Just get the idea and create your own version of it. Because if you want to blow up your channel on YouTube, you have to be unique. The next important thing is creating a viral video script. So I analyzed the first 4 videos on this channel, which have over 1 million views, and I understood a pattern. And I think this specific presentation style might be the reason why these videos are getting millions of views. Let me explain it simply. These videos have 4 stages. The first stage is curiosity gap hooks, which is how they start the videos. They don't explain science. They trigger a question first. As an example, they make statements like, what happens if you stop eating sugar? Or, what happens inside your body when you don't sleep? Then comes the storytelling pace. It's not that they are teaching the science behind it. Every video has a story, and through that story, they explain the science. Then we have the visual imagination triggers. They constantly say things like, inside your body, your cells start to, your brain releases. This forces viewers to visualize internally, boosting retention. And finally, we have emotional drivers. Every video uses at least one. Fear, by talking about damage, disease, and danger. Rewards that you will get, like fat loss, energy, and a glow up. And shock, mostly unexpected facts. With this specific method, they can easily hook the viewers to their video till the end. I'm going to give you guys a prompt that I have created by applying this method. And using that, you can generate viral video scripts. But only use this prompt to generate the base script. Don't use it directly. Make sure to change it into your own words for at least 70%. Now you have the script. The next thing we need is to convert this whole script into an AI voiceover. You can use any AI voice generator that you prefer. I recently found this Minimax text-to-speech voice generator. It has some cool AI voices. You can try it if you like. I'm not going to go deep into the AI voice creation. The only advice I'm going to give you guys is to use an energetic voice for your videos. Now, let's start the most important process of this project, which is visual creation. As I mentioned earlier, I'm using Hailuo AI to make the cartoon animation for this video. The main reason why I'm using Hailuo for this process is that it has all the features that we need. We have AI voice, images, and videos, so I don't have to jump between several tools. With this tool, I can do all the work. And their latest AI model, which is Hailuo 2.3, is really good. So let's make our visuals. Now, the first thing we must do is we need to prompt the scenes correctly. I have already created a unique prompt to make infographic-style animation videos. All you need to do is go to ChatGPT and ask it to make a prompt for the given scenes using this prompt, and then copy the prompt. Then, you just need to simply explain the scene. For example, in our first scene, I need to make a person sitting on a chair, so let's simply type it like this. Now, I'm gonna go to Hailuo AI. Before creating videos, I'm gonna make an image because I wanna make sure the scene is exactly as I want. If not, I'm gonna be wasting credits. So let's go to this image feature, and I'm just gonna paste the prompt I just generated. And from these settings, let's select 16:9 ratio, and let's go with 4K resolution. Okay, this is what I was looking for. So if you are confident that your prompt is perfect, you can directly generate the AI video and skip the image generation part. That's up to you. Now I'm gonna download this image. Make sure to select the download without watermark option. Now, I'm gonna go to this AI video feature, and let's upload that image we just downloaded as the starting frame. And I'm gonna set the quality of the video to 1080, and the duration is for 6 seconds. As the prompt, I'm gonna go with the same prompt I used to generate the image, and let's see the result. This looks amazing. Now I'm gonna create the next scene. Just like before, we need to create the prompt. So let's go back to ChatGPT, and I'm gonna explain the scene like this. A man sitting near his computer and working. And here we have our detailed prompt. Now let's go back to Hailuo AI, and this time, I'm gonna try to generate the video directly. Let's see if we are gonna have a difference. This video looks good. It kind of looked like an anime style. That's why I would prefer to make the images first and then convert those into videos. In that way, we can make more accurate AI videos. And when creating other scenes, if you want to keep your character consistency, you just need to upload the previous character when creating the new image. And make sure to mention that use the uploaded image as the reference character. For some videos, we need to keep the same character throughout the whole video. So this tool can create scenes with consistent characters easily. So these are the videos that I created with Hailuo AI. There are around 10 scenes, and this is only for the first part of our video. Now, I just need to put together all these AI videos and make the final output. You can do that by using any video editor. I normally use CapCut for this process. Actually, it's really simple. Let me show you how I do that. The first step is to select the correct aspect ratio for the video. It needs to be 16:9. Then you just need to import all the voiceover files and AI videos to this project. Start the editing process by adding the voiceover file to the timeline. Then comes the easiest part. You just need to add the video clips that you generated in the correct order to match the voiceover. Then let's make some edits. First thing I'm gonna do is go through these transitions and add some cool transitions in between these clips. That's gonna make your video more interesting. Then I'm gonna go to this text feature and let's generate the captions for this. And you don't need to use fancy caption style, just a simple and clear style like this would be good. And make sure to add some caption animation to it as well. And that's all. Let me show you the final result.
What happens inside your body when you sit for hours every day? It's not just laziness. It's slow damage happening right now. As you sit, your muscles go quiet, your blood slows, and your body begins to shut down. Within just 5 minutes, your leg muscles stop burning fat and your calorie burn drops. After 30 minutes, sugar builds up in your blood and your cells become less responsive. 1 hour in, your circulation slows, less oxygen reaches your brain, and you feel that fog creeping in. By 3 hours, fat-burning enzymes drop drastically, making it easier to gain weight even if nothing else changes. After a full day, your posture collapses, your spine compresses, and your body literally starts reshaping around the chair. Weeks later, your metabolism slows, your muscles weaken, and your body forgets how to move efficiently.
With the help of Hailuo AI, this process was easier than I thought. You can get this AI from the link in the description. They have also released their newest feature, Light Studio. If you are an editor or photographer, this is going to be really helpful. With this feature, you can change the lighting of any image. You just need to upload your image and that's it. You can apply these styles of lighting to your images, Or you can even make custom templates manually. It's super easy to use. You just need to select the effect you want and click the Generate button. See, this is amazing. You can just try this feature for free. When it comes to the pricing, their annual plans has an offer going on up to 60%, which is crazy. I'm using the master plan. With this, I run 2 YouTube channels. And if you are planning to run several channels, go for their max plan. It has so much credits, it's basically like unlimited image and video generation. With that, today's video has come to an end, and I really hope you learned some valuable information from this video. So, I wish you the best of luck.